Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm at this pond. Wesley claims that it's juicy. We all know about that. There's like kind of a thunderstorm right there, but we're gonna try to fish this right now. Got the GoPro strapped up, so yeah. So right now I'm gonna be using this. It's the Guggen chatterbait. We got a bandito bug on there. So let's throw this thing. Wesley's making a video as well.
Alright, so let's throw this now.
A few minutes later.
It's almost like they're trying to taunt me. Oh, there's just a fish right there. Just darted out from in that pipe. Just toss this thing out a few feet. Damn it, just missed a fish. See if he'll bite again. Got him. Let's go. All right. It's a pretty small one. Nice little fish. Start off the day. All right, guys. So now got a rattling Ned on here. If it'll rattle for you. Probably can't hear it very well. Gonna throw this a little bit. Put this on my other rod. I just couldn't get the braid through the eyelet. Got him. Let's go. Another fish. No. Oh, no. Oh, damn. He got off. He wasn't too big though. Not too worried about that. Here, just does make it a little bit annoying. Oh, we're on. It's gotta be a fish. It's a fish. Let's go, baby. This thing is not putting up a fight. Another little fish caught on the Ned rig. Pretty nice. Come on. There we go. Just a little guy again. Haven't really seen. I don't know if there's big fish in here or not. Guess we'll have to keep fishing to find out. All right, guys. So we're at a different pond now. The other one's right there. We just went over here. Fishing chatterbait right now. Just a little white one with a saucy swimmer on there. And then I might throw my Ned rig again, which is on that rod. So yeah, let's throw you on the chest. It's an aerator right in front of me. I'm just trying to throw it. Slow roll this chatterbait through there. See if there's any fish that want to come out. All right, guys, we're moving again. No luck at this pond. And it's a little bit weird to fish because it's not very much area for us to fish. Like, there's only really this area, and then all of that is not fishable pretty much. Like, we can't go over there to fish. So, and the rain has died down, which is nice, so yeah. What?
Then literally, if you hit it with your car, it just rips apart the whole bit. If they were squishy, that would not be good.
All right, guys, so we're at the next pond. Just throw that a little bit down over there. So I'm gonna throw chatterbait. fish on. Let's go. Yep, it's a small one, but this thing is eeny. What is that? Yeah, it's a bass. And my PB right there, personal best. Little guy actually hammered that thing though. All right, last cast. God damn it. There we go. All right, guys, so that was the last cast. Got this little bit of a bigger bass. Oh, he is feisty. Oh, just look at that. Oh, there you go. All right. That thing is eeny weeny. All right, guys, so last cast of the night, caught the fish. Pretty successful fishing trip. Except for all the fish are trash. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Caught a total of 5 fish. Wesley, I think, only caught 3. They were all really small though. So I'm going to make another video for next week. I'm going to probably post on Mondays. I'm hoping that's what I'm going to go for. Monday schedule. I'm not sure if every video is going to be fishing. Maybe BMX. Who knows? So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe. See you next week.